Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottinen from the Flourish.Academy. This is episode 474. Today we're talking about shutter noise on the D750 versus Fuji X-T3 mirrorless. And the reason is someone in the FA community group, oh, I'm so sorry, I can't remember who posted a couple of days ago, was asking about the quiet shutter on the D750. So if you take a photo with the D750, I want you guys to hear this. That's the shutter. Can you hear that on video? I think you probably can. That's the shutter on the D750, and that is just the mechanical release of the mirror. It's going to make a noise because there is a mechanical component operating inside of this camera. Okay, the D750 on the top has an option for Q or quiet mode. There's two, Q or QC, quiet or quiet continuous. So this is quiet. Did you hear that? That's quiet shutter on the D750. This is quiet continuous. That's the quiet shutter. I don't know about you, but I still heard it. Still pretty loud. Let's go back to the regular shutter. Do you notice a difference between the regular shutter and the quiet shutter? I don't, and I'm a wedding photographer, which means I'm in a ceremony where I want to be as quiet and inconspicuous as possible, and the quiet shutter on the D750 didn't seem to make much of a difference to me anyway. I mean, there's a mechanical component. SLRs are going to make a noise when you fire the shutter. Okay, let's contrast that with mirrorless, where we don't have a mirror. So this is my Fuji X-T3. I have my shutter set to mechanical and electrical. So you can use a mechanical shutter. Listen to this. This is the mechanical shutter. I gotta get a focus. Hear that? Barely, I bet, huh? That's the mechanical shutter on the X-T3. If I change that to the electronic shutter, I'm going to shoot outside to get this. Let me change something there. Whoops. I need to get a faster shutter speed. Well, that's still the electronic. I need to get to the mechanical. Mechanical, I have mine set so that if my shutter speed is above, I think it's 1/4000th of a second or 8,000th of a second, it will go into electronic shutter speed. Yes, electronic shutter automatically. Mechanical works until 1/8000th of a second. Electronic works when faster than 1/8000th of a second. Okay, well, I'm just going to change this to electronic so that you can hear the electronic shutter. I'm taking photos. Do you hear anything? No, me either. Because the electronic shutter on mirrorless, silent, completely quiet, which is a huge advantage in my type of photography, obviously during a ceremony. Or if you're shooting maybe small children or babies, there's definitely an advantage to that electronic shutter because there's not a mechanical moving part. Therefore, it is silent. If you contrast that, obviously with the DSLR, such as the D750, you're just gonna get shutter noise and it's loud, and that's just the way it is. If that matters to you or if that's an issue for the way that you shoot, then mirrorless would definitely be the way to go if you're concerned about the noise of the shutter. I hope that you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video.